What's up, Beardbrand? Charlie here from Gentlemen's and Rouges Club. Got the one and only Justin, the manager of Camden West, in my chair, the privilege. What we're going to be doing here with this mop is that we're going to be putting in some nice surfer long layers, and we're going to trim about, I'd say, ½ inch or so off the length. He doesn't really need too much off the length. He takes care of his hair. It's mainly just all this weight and bulk that's in here. And I'm going to walk you through it. So starting off, what I do with all long hair is I give them a lovely centre parting, straight down the middle. This sectioning technique that I'm about to do, it's got many names, but when I was taught it was called the crossbun, like a bakery crossbun. And then at the back here, I've just gone straight down. So I've followed that line from that centre parting, and I've just gone all the way down. Nice. Yeah, go for it, mate. Go for it. Sweet. So now I've split the hair in half. I'm then going to split it into quarters. It's always good to have an assistant on side to help you section hair. It's moral support. All right, and then I've just gone straight behind the ear here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip this up. I don't need to worry about this just yet. Leave it like that. See how that's sorted? That's cool, man. There you go, done. So now we're done, that's the tutorial over. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my very first sections. I like to start from the O bone and kind of just ever so slightly angle down. And then section that way. And there you go, if you get like a sky view, you'll see a cross bun. Look at that cast. Nice. So this is me putting in my baselines, because this is my very first section. I'm going to be putting in a straight line across the hair from left to right, and this is going to be the line that I follow throughout the whole haircut. So I've got to make sure it's real nice and straight. So if this is straight, the whole haircut would be. And the good way to tell if it's straight or not is that you grab two pieces on either side and you pull them down. And if they stop at the same time, it's straight. Nice. Now that I'm happy with my baseline, I now work up. And I just go, I work left to right. That's just the way I work. It's methodical. Sweet, done. And you basically rinse and repeat this until you end up at the very top of the head. You will never lose your baseline if you work like this, because not only have I got it to the left of me, but if I lift up the hair, I've got it underneath me. Before I did barbering, I originally did women's hairdressing, and this is where I learned this from.
He's not saying you're a barber.
Yeah. By any means at all.
It's just women's hair.
Because we're near the top now, and I cut Justin's hair before, I put in long layers, so I reckon I won't be taking that much off this. Not off this top piece anyways. No, I'm not. Oh, I'm not. Oh, no, I'm not. I wasn't even talking to him. So the reason I left those last sections is because he's got long layers. They just won't even reach down to the bottom. So now we're on to layers. So now what I like to do is get the tooth of my comb and go straight across. Sweet. So now I've got a section probably either on or just above the crown, and I'm going to pull it straight up. Sweet. Now I'm going to point cut. And try not to slice open my hand. Now I'm going to let that down. I'm going to take vertical sections with a piece of that section I had before and the rest of the hair. So if I pull that up now, See that shorter than this? That's because I just point cutted this going across. That's my baseline. I'm going to follow it. Pick up some more hair. That's just in line with it and underneath it. Pull out. There it is again. Follow. Sweet, so I've gone vertically across my layers, following my guideline. I'm now going to go horizontal through it now, just to cross check it, make sure it's all nice and even. The way I do that is I'm just going to half the hair, so I'm not going to deal with this at the moment. And so it's like a triangle kind of thing going down here. I'm actually going to go across it. What this does is just cross-checking my layers, making sure they're nice and even, and it even just adds a little bit more texture and takes out a little bit more weight. Because Justin's hair is ridiculous. He's got like, I don't know, like Italian stallion hair. It's really thick. It's ridiculous.
Slick it back with pure grease.
Pure grease, yeah. So that's the right side done. Now let's do the same to the left side. Comb out of the way. And the same thing again. Sweet, so now I'm done with the layers. And you can see from the way I've worked, we've got a solid baseline here. And you can see from my hand down, it's just all choppy and messy layers. And that's the effect you should get if you follow my technique. So what I've just done, got my backside, and I'm now just working to the side of the head. I just take section from the old, section from the new, and I go straight down. And there you go, baseline. Now I'm onto layers. I take my layers from the back side and the hair from the side, and I pull up. You won't be able to see this, but if I just fold this hair down, you can see the layers underneath. Do that, and if I let go, it brings back up. There's the layer. So that's what I've got to do. There it is. Now follow down.
Yeah.
Oh,
Margaritas.
margaritas.
Frozen.
I'm driving.
Oh.
You can have a margarita though.
Deal.
I'll have a swig.
Nice. I'm happy with that. You happy, Just?
Yeah, bro.
Sweet. Need to tighten the neck hairs. You know, a lot of that weight. And it's just real choppy and messy. Proper surfery.
Proper syrup.
Proper surfery, dude. Nice, man.
You want to be a property owner?
Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.